Hey there, charming viewers. Welcome back to the Kunai channel, your ultimate destination for mastering the art of attraction. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of psychology to uncover 12 mind-blowing techniques that will have anyone utterly obsessed with you. And trust me, folks, it's about to get fascinating. Imagine this. You enter a room, and suddenly, all eyes are on you. You've got that irresistible charm, and today, I'm spilling the secrets on how to wield it like a pro. So grab your notepads and get ready to become the master of attraction. Trick 1. Mirroring. First up on our charm offensive is the mirroring technique. It's all about syncing up with your crush's gestures, speech patterns, and even emotions. When you're on the same wavelength, sparks are bound to fly. But remember, subtlety is key here. You want to mimic them just enough to create a sense of rapport without being too obvious about it. Mirroring goes beyond just copying their movements. It's about building a deeper connection by reflecting their feelings and attitudes as well. So pay close attention to their body language, tone of voice, and facial expressions, and adjust yours accordingly. Before you know it, you'll have them feeling like you're two peas in a pod. Trick 2. Posture power. Stand tall, my friends, because posture power is the name of the game. Confident body language not only makes you more attractive, but also signals to others that you're self-assured and in control. So straighten that spine, pull those shoulders back, and own the room like it's your personal runway. But posture isn't just about physical appearance. It's also a reflection of your mindset. When you stand tall and open, you exude confidence and positivity, which are incredibly magnetic qualities. People are naturally drawn to those who carry themselves with poise and grace, so don't underestimate the power of good posture. Trick 3. Name game. The name game, where remembering someone's name is your golden ticket to their heart. But it's not just about recalling it, it's about using it strategically in conversation. Incorporate their name naturally, and watch as it creates an instant connection and makes them feel seen, heard, and valued. But here's the secret sauce. Repetition is key. The more you use their name, the more deeply ingrained it becomes in their mind, strengthening your bond with each interaction. So don't be afraid to sprinkle it liberally throughout your conversations. It's like music to their ears. Trick 4. Secret club for 2. Now, who's ready to join the exclusive club for 2? It's time to create those inside jokes and shared experiences that make your connection unique. Whether it's a funny story that only you two understand or a special nickname you've coined for each other, these intimate moments strengthen your bond and make you irresistible to each other. But here's the thing. Exclusivity is the name of the game. By creating a world that's just for the two of you, you're fostering a sense of intimacy and closeness that can't be replicated. So get creative and let your imaginations run wild. After all, it's your secret club, and the only members allowed are you and your crush. Trick 5. Eye contact tango. Get ready for the eye contact tango. Lock eyes with your crush and let the chemistry do the talking. But here's the trick. It's not just about staring into their soul. It's about maintaining the right balance of intensity and warmth. Hold their gaze for a few seconds, then break it with a smile to keep things playful and intriguing. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal of charm. It communicates confidence, interest, and even vulnerability. But it's not just about looking. It's also about listening. Pay attention to their reactions and adjust your approach accordingly. Before you know it, you'll be speaking volumes without saying a word. Trick 6. Talk therapy. Channel your inner therapist because talk therapy is next on our list. Listening attentively and making your crush feel like the center of the universe? Oh, it's a surefire way to capture their heart. Ask open-ended questions, nod along empathetically, and validate their feelings. It's like giving them a free therapy session with a side of charm. But here's the key. It's not just about hearing their words. It's about understanding their emotions. Empathy is the secret ingredient that takes your conversations from good to great. So put yourself in their shoes and let them know that you're there for them no matter what. Before you know it, they'll be opening up to you like never before. All right, Kunai crew. We're halfway there, but we're just getting started. Stay tuned as we unveil the remaining 6 psychological techniques to make you the ultimate charmer. Trick 7. The Benjamin Franklin bait. Ever heard of the Benjamin Franklin bait? It's the art of asking for a small favor to reel in that crush of yours. It's a psychological quirk known as the Benjamin Franklin effect, where people tend to like you more after they've done something for you. So whether it's borrowing a pen or asking for their opinion on something, make them feel needed and watch as their affection for you grows. Trick 8. Positivity Potion. Brace yourselves for the positivity potion. Be the ray of sunshine in their life and watch as your infectious positivity works its magic. It's not just about plastering on a fake smile. It's about genuinely radiating joy and enthusiasm. Share uplifting stories, crack a few jokes, and be the person they can't help but gravitate towards in a room full of people. Trick 9. Touchy-feely Tango. Time to get up close and personal with the touchy-feely Tango. Physical touch releases oxytocin, the love hormone, which fosters feelings of trust and connection. But remember, folks, always respect personal boundaries and start with subtle gestures like a light touch on the arm or a playful tap on the shoulder. It's all about creating a sense of intimacy without crossing any lines. Trick 10. Push-pull Paradox. The push-pull paradox. Sometimes a little mystery goes a long way. It's all about creating a healthy balance between showing interest and maintaining your independence. Be responsive and engaged one moment, then pull back and give them space the next. It's like playing a game of emotional tug-of-war, where the back and forth keeps things exciting and leaves them wanting more. Trick 11. Twin Telepathy. Highlight those shared interests and watch the sparks fly with twin telepathy. Finding common ground not only creates a sense of camaraderie, but also strengthens your emotional connection. Whether it's bonding over a mutual love for a certain TV show or discovering you have the same quirky habits, these shared experiences create a sense of comfort and familiarity that deepens your bond. Trick 12. Show, don't tell. Last but certainly not least, it's time to show, not tell. Express your feelings through actions that speak louder than words. Whether it's surprising them with their favorite coffee or going out of your way to help them with a task, let your actions demonstrate your affection and make them feel cherished and valued. And there you have it, Kunai crew. 12 game-changing techniques to unleash your inner charmer and make anyone utterly obsessed with you. But hey, remember, with great charm comes great responsibility. So use these techniques wisely and always keep it classy. If you loved today's video, and let's be honest, who wouldn't? Don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more epic content from yours truly, Kunai. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite mind hack from today's video. Let's keep the conversation going and build a community of unstoppable charmers together.